What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan Grubb here with Extreme.Outdoorsmen. If you guys are new here to the channel, make sure to go hit that subscribe button for me. Help me hit 6,000 subs. I think I'm like 300 away, so I would really appreciate it if you went and hit that subscribe button. And also, I wanted to mention I'm selling hats and shirts now. I got the Extreme.Outdoorsmen hat and I got my shirt on, so I'm gonna leave the link down in the description if you guys want to pick up any gear. But me and Evan are just getting out on the water. We're out here on Lake St Clair today, and it is beautiful out here. I think it's Tuesday, 9, what month is it? September 1st. My bad. But we are out here. It's September 1st. It's probably like 70 degrees, a little wind, but hopefully we can land a big smallmouth bass today. There was a big pro tournament out here probably couple weeks ago, and they are landing some 5-6 pounders, so hopefully we can find them and get on a possible giant smallie today. So that would be super cool, but hopefully get on a big one and enjoy the beautiful Michigan weather. So stay tuned for some more action. We'll see you guys on the GoPro here in a little bit. So guys, we're just rolling up to the first spot. Like I said, it's a beautiful morning out here, and I'm using this Ned rig. It's called the Yoga Pants. Just casting it out. I was out here probably 2 to 3 days ago and we slayed them on this color. So hopefully get on some big fish today. We're working around these rocky areas wherever we can find rock piles. That's usually where smallmouth like to hang out. So me and Evan are gonna try to find the big ones today. We might have to move around, try to locate the fish, just because we haven't been out here in a little while. But hopefully get on a big one today. I think we're gonna stick a giant. Usually when Evan is on the boat, we always slay them, no matter the species. We actually just saw a big smallie, probably a 4-pounder, swimming around the rocks. We tried throwing our Ned rig in there. Evan's using a tube, but we were throwing right in front of him. It didn't seem like he wanted it. Hit?
I think it was a perch.
Oh yeah, I caught a perch out. Oh, there is a little nibble. Must have been a perch too. I caught a perch. Do you see that one I caught?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what the? There's another hit. It must be perch. Yeah, that perch I caught was like 3-4 inches. He hit the Ned rig. Hell yeah. I like that chair. You can move that back. That's how I caught that 5-4. I was sitting in that chair. Maybe it's good luck. I guess there's some fish in here. We'll find them.
No, our little ones, huh? They're crossed over there. They're good caught fishing. Usually you can catch like 4 little bass ones.
Alright.
Tiny.
Damn, I lost. Oh, there's a hit. He just tapped it, just super little. Yeah, dang, I lost a really big bass yesterday on Orient. It sucked. I was pissed. Maybe my line was frayed because I caught 2 pike right before that. Then I set the hook and my line just snapped. And then I just see this like maybe like 4-pounder jump out of the water right in front of the boat. And then he went to jump. He jumped 4 times. I have it on video. It's hilarious.
broke off on a pike the other day.
You wanna try another spot?
Keep going a little. Oh,
Or out? Got one. Evan's on, first fish of the day. Oh, it got off.
That was a little guy.
I didn't see anything.
I'm gonna cast back out.
First fish of the day.
Next, quick release.
Yep, next.
You got this.
What are you using, a tube?
Yeah, tube. Dark tube.
Yeah. To start, it's pretty good. There's one. First fish of the day for me. It's a nice one. Dang. Sweet on the Ned rig, guys. He barely tapped it, too. I barely felt him. He's small. He's definitely put up a good fight. Probably a 2.5, 3. If I can grab him. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, beautiful smallie on the Ned rig. Well, that's a start. You got Evan had one. You had one hit. Did you get it in or no?
Mm-mm.
And then one smallmouth. First smallie in the boat. So it's a good start. We've only been out here probably 45 minutes. So nice one. Hopefully land a 5-pounder today. That'd be super cool. See ya. That was a weed. Yeah. You ever catch any smallies on topwater?
Mm-hmm.
I never caught any on topwater.
Really?
Hey.
In Muscatine.
Really?
Yeah, we're throwing
A popper? Oh, damn. There's one. Little guy. Oh, there he goes. Must, I don't know, it kind of looked like a largemouth, didn't it?
Fish around it. You should be able to catch something off this. I'm not even really on it.
Yeah.
Usually catch them right on top of it.
That was a rock or something. I remember last time we were here, we slayed them.
Mm-hmm.
That first cast, you caught a big one.
Usually there's always fish on it. This is the cast. There's fish right
Yeah, I see it. That's a nice one.
Mm-hmm. Look at him.
You went for it. You see him?
Here he is.
Here he goes under the boat.
We're gonna catch him.
So guys, we just rolled up to a new spot. We're working out in front of Metro right now. And I'm gonna be throwing this big Megabass mag draft. And Evan is using a drop shot right now. We just rolled up here. There's a couple other boats out here, so it must mean there's some fish out here, guys. We've been working a lot of areas and we haven't had the best of luck today. I think we got like 2 or 3 fish so far, but hopefully get on some big fish today. Hopefully get on a big one, guys. We're trying to catch a 5-pounder today, so I think we can make it happen. Maybe I'll catch it on this big swim bait, but hopefully get on a big one.
There's more.
Yeah. Hopefully. I'll cast this for like 10 minutes and then tie a drop shot on.
We're in the area now. It's musky bait. Get out of here, perch.
My drink behind you.
Right.
New spot.
We just rolled up and we finally hooked up on a fish. It's been tough, but it seems like a good fish. It's pulling pretty hard. Really digging. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Not bad.
On the drop shot.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice one. Probably a 3.5.
Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. Keep coming.
Grab him. There we go. That's a nice smallie,
guys. That's
guys.
a solid fish.
Yeah, it is. On the drop shot.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sweet.
Probably 3.
Working in like 18 foot of water, I think it is.
3 3.25, 3.5.
Yeah, something like that.
Good fish.
Oh, Joe. What does that mean?
Yeah, press it.
Wait, I want that.
Yeah. Come on, fish. Where are you at? 6-pounder? Come on. Somewhere in this frickin' lake. These smallies like to move around a lot. They're hard to find right now. We're fishing in around like 16, 17 foot of water. Trying to throw these drop shots. Evan has a lighter one on. He's caught a couple fish so far, and I'm throwing this darker one. It's a Z-Man. Seems like the darker bait would work right now. Drop shot's known for darker lures to work. That's what I've heard. There's a couple other boats around us right now.
Heavy rod.
Yeah, it's super nice. All right, Evan's on another smallie.
Got another one. That's probably same as the last one.
Yeah.
Same size, maybe a little smaller.
On the drop shot. I've been throwing the Mega Bass Mag Draft around for a little while. I think I'm gonna tie a drop shot on.
I don't think it's that 5-pounder yet.
No 5-pounder yet.
Not yet.
We're catching them though.
He's digging. These things dig so hard.
Yeah, they do. I love catching smallies. Woo!
I can't even move him. Maybe he's bigger than I thought.
Maybe we can weigh him if you want.
Just gotta see what he looks like.
I haven't even seen him yet.
No, I think he's under the boat.
Six-pounder.
Ah!
There
Not a
he is.
6-pounder, but it's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is. beautiful fish. I love them smallies.
Let's get down here. Alright. Come here, come on. Come here.
Sweet.
About the same as the last one.
Yeah.
Get him unhooked.
Barely hooked too. That's a nice fish.
Solid fish.
Yep.
Alright.
Evan's
We're on something here.
Yeah, we are. So guys, what? Yeah, you are. The heck? Evan's slaying them. That's 2 fish already on the drops or drop shot. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and tie it on. Hopefully I can get on some big ones. Got the legend back here on the boat. Always slaying them in my videos.
Try our best.
Yeah. All right. Get on another one.
I'll pull out a few fish that we caught today so far. A couple of solid fish.
Yeah.
We're gonna let them go. Hopefully they get bigger. Catch them when they're 5-pounders instead of 3.5s.
Yeah, those are some nice fish, Evan. You
Yeah.
caught both of them on the drop shot, showing me up today. Sweet. All right, guys, we're releasing them back.
There's one. There goes 2.
There goes the other one. Back to the depths of St. Clair. What do you think?
Cool, cool. Let's catch more. We gotta catch more, yeah.
Yeah, we do.
It's getting wavy, but well, we're gonna be all right. We're gonna get more.
So guys, I am just getting back to the house. It was about an hour drive back home from Lake St. Clair. And it was definitely a rough day out on the water today. I think we only ended up catching maybe like 3 to 4 fish, or maybe 5. I don't really know, but it was just pretty tough out there. With smallmouth fishing, if you are not on them, you're not catching them, guys. Those smallmouth like to move around a lot. It's not like largemouth where they just pick one spot and hang out for a long time. That's how it usually is. Those smallmouth like to move around a lot. But I think I caught that one smallmouth at the beginning of the day. It was a pretty decent smallie, but nothing huge. And then we moved a couple different spots. Evan caught a walleye, a rock bass, and he caught those 2 decent smallies, probably like 3.5 pounders on the drop shot. We were right in front of Metro in like 15 to 18 foot of water. So that was really cool that we ended the video, or ended the trip, catching a couple smallies. I had a really good hit right at the end. I didn't get it on my GoPro or anything, but it got off. I hooked it for a second, it got off, so I was kind of upset with that. But like I said in other videos, you're not going to catch every fish that you set the hook on. A lot of them get off, but that's just how it goes, guys. But I'm glad to be home. I just got the tarp off, letting the boat dry off because it was pretty rough out there today. The carpet got all wet. But I'm gonna dry it off and then put it back in the garage and hopefully get on the water tomorrow. So really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Also, I wanted to shout out a guy named Kyle. He said hi to me. I think his name was Kyle, but he said hi to me on the water. If you guys ever see me on the water, make sure to come say hi. I really love getting noticed out there, or you guys coming up and shaking my hand or something, or even coming to grab a decal. I always keep my Extreme.Outdoorsmen decals or stickers in the boat and in the truck, so if I run into you guys. But really appreciate you guys watching today's video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.